Hi, you watching your favorite YouTube channel, Learning Digital. Here we learn digital world things, so subscribe this channel for more digital world videos. Welcome. We've talked about most of the major areas of SEO that will help you rank well on the Squarespace platform, but today I want to show you how to create a blog that is optimized as well. A blog is an excellent way to connect with customers through informative tutorials, brand updates, and information related to your area of business. It's also a great way to attract more traffic from search. So let's get started. We'll start by enabling AMP for our blog posts, and we'll do so in settings. So enabling AMP, or otherwise known as accelerated mobile pages, means that Squarespace will strip away unnecessary code and strip down your page so that it loads faster and is easier to navigate on mobile. This is really important for SEO because we know that Google favors fast, mobile-friendly designs. So to make this change, let's go ahead and select blogging. Scroll down to the bottom until you see Use AMP. Click this, and then we are done. Let's click Save and go back to the main menu. Now we need to go back into our pages again. So I'm going to keep clicking back until I'm on the home menu and click into Pages to the main navigation, and then we are going to click into Blog. You should see 6 preloaded blog posts on the left-hand side and a larger version of each in the Edit section. Let's click on the first post called Red Hot and do some optimization work here. We are going to go back into our page and edit it directly. Click this Edit button, and we are going to start by adding an image. To do so, you want to look for this little circle dot again. Under Red Hot, we are going to click this, and we are going to add image. Next to this magnifying glass, we are going to select Search for Image. This is going to give you different options for free or paid image content. For us, we are just going to look at free content. Because these are free images that are available for use on your website, they're really good to use in your blog posts, especially if you don't have any imagery of your own. And photos from this site Unsplash are made to be used freely, so you don't have to worry about attribution. Of course, you can cite the image too if you prefer. For our purposes, let's search for pickle. Hit enter, and we'll just choose this first image. Go ahead and hit select to add it to our site. You should see this image right on your page now. Let's scroll down to the bottom of it and look for the caption. We want to type in a caption that describes this photo, like our pickle brining. Now in the image design box, we are going to click on that design tab. We are going to look for this caption, and on the drop-down arrow, we are going to change it to Do Not Display. This will hide whatever you've entered in here, so that the user doesn't need to see it. That said, when a person uses a screen reader to read your page, they will encounter it. So, finally, we are going to go back into our editing box, click on Content, and give our image a name. Let's call ours Pickle Brining. Our image is now optimized. We are going to click Apply to close the image design box. And you can nest your image in the text by dragging it and dropping it wherever you'd like. To do so, just look for the little hand icon, hold down your mouse, drag your image, and you can see the different locations on the page where it's going. And once you are happy with your location, go ahead and drop it in, and you'll see your image appear there. Now, this isn't perfect, and you can always arrange it as you see fit. Next, we are going to add an interlink. Interlink is really a fancy way of saying we are going to hyperlink to another page on our site. This is a great SEO tactic. So, at the bottom of our blog post, let's add a sentence. Scrolling down here, click enter, and let's write, do you want to learn more about our learning process? Read our story. Drag our mouse over the words, read our story. We are going to go up into our text editor and click the link button. Now click on page, and this should show us the other pages of our website. Go to FAQs and open in the new window, and then click Save. Finally, click Apply. You've just added your first site interlink. So, in the upper left-hand corner of our edit window, let's save this page. Our last step will be to optimize our URL slug. To do so, click the three dots next to our blog post and then click on Settings. Now look for Options and click that. You'll see under Post URL that there's a long URL there that we don't really need. We'll shorten it to red hot to match the rest of our titles. As a good rule of thumb, keep your URLs short and clear like we discussed in the last section. This is true for all of your URLs, but it becomes a particular problem in your blogs. Now click on SEO and let's fill out our title and description. Red hot, that seems fine. Now for description, we are going to describe the content on the page. Learn about our branding process. Secret tips you'll want to know about. Finally, let's go over to social image, and we are going to click on search for images. And then up here, the imported tab, and let's click on this image we just used, hover over it and click add. This is the image that will display when someone shares your post to social media. Might take a minute to load. There it is. Okay, let's come up here and save our work, and we are finished. We've added an image and caption, created an interlink, updated the title and description, shortened the URL, and included an image for social media. If you follow this best practice for all of your blog posts, I think you'll see that this legwork is definitely worth the reward you'll get in search. Wow, you finished this course. You are now able to optimize your Squarespace site so that it can be correctly indexed by search engines and found by more of your prospective customers. This gives you an advantage over the competition, as few business owners know how to use search engine optimization to drive free and organic traffic to their website. I hope you had as much fun taking this course as I did creating it. Thanks and take care.